nature, and I love inhaling nature. And near the plants, near the oxygen, near the water, near all the five elements of this planet, of this nature, gives you energy. It boosts up your moral support, your mental support. This is life, and I love being in this. It's beautiful. I love this nature. So I come here normally, like every day at 4 a.m. I'm in the nature, meditating, breathing, just being in my own self. Even if you are not like sitting or try to focusing on your breath, just walking in the zen, or just living in the moment, looking at the sky, feeling the air, and just listening to the birds, the music. They speak. The space speaks. The space between you and me speaks. The energy speaks to you. The thing is that you have to be in that. I love being here. So you join me every day. Will you? Would you like to join me?
Yes.
But daily?
Yes.
Good girl.
So, Ma, I had a question. How do we know that if we are meditating since a while, how do we know we're on the right track?
Okay. Very simple question, but nice question. Like everybody should love to know it, because there are people who are meditating since years. A very simple answer for this: if you find calm within yourself after giving so much time to the thing called meditation, if you feel changes in yourself, if you feel the elements which we are carrying since birth, maybe in this birth, like anger, jealousy, hatred, or you are annoyed, or you are depressed, or you are feeling anxiety, or you are feeling low, whatever words we have found here from the dictionary. If you think that these words or these feelings have eliminated from your body, from your mind, from your thoughts, then you can say you are on the right path.
And sometimes there are phases where you go back, you go 10 kilometers, then you come back. So it's ups and downs. So how is it okay to have ups and
yeah,
downs?
it's okay. It's okay. It happens with everyone, And why this is happening? Like you're going 2 steps ahead and then you're coming 4 steps behind.
Yeah.
In this journey
Yes.
of the inner journey, you can say, or the journey from self to self, you can say. It happens with everyone. It's nothing wrong in that. But I would like to answer like why it happens. It happens because you're not practicing. Meditation requires practicing. Everything requires practicing. If you want to learn guitar, like we were coming, you saw the piano,
Yes.
and you told me, Ma, I would love to play the piano.
Yes.
I love piano. But seeing the piano, can you know how to play it? You have to know it.
So we have to dive into it.
Yes, you have to know the piano. You have to practice onto it. You have to give your time. You have to give your attention, focus on it. Same way, like Wright brothers who created this. Nowadays, we are flying to so many countries. It's so easy traveling, right? They had given their full focus on it. They were working hard on it. They didn't come back. So we don't have to come back, We have to just go forward, forward, forward. The journey is to keep on going. The way the water in the stream keeps on flowing, you see. It's nothing to come back. So the moment you will keep practicing every day at one time, at one place, just being on your breath, just watching yourself, just watching your breath, watching the prana, even watching your own body, how it is sitting, you become the Buddha. It's not difficult. Buddha did it. Maharishi did it. Jesus Christ did it. Why can't you and me? We all have that power, no?
With Guru's blessing, we can do it, right?
Blessings are always there, You have your own eternal Guru inside you. Everybody is a Guru of self. You don't need somebody outside. Yes, you need a guide who can guide you if you're lost. You need a mentor who can pamper you, who can motivate you, but only in the beginning stage. After that, when you understand everything, see, there is so much knowledge on social media, and I believe that social media is very good. It gives a lot of knowledge. I just go in front of the social media. It's not wrong. People say, oh my God, my children are sitting every time on the gadget. It's not wrong. It's giving you good information also. The wrong thing is in you. If you are catching something wrong from there, some negativity from there. So there's so much knowledge on that social media. But that knowledge has to be only in the elementary stage. You don't have to keep on searching for every day you want a motivator, every time you want, after 10 years also you need a motivator. No, it's for one time. Like a mother teaches her baby to walk. She doesn't have to teach the baby to walk when he's 10 years old. So the guru or the mentor can teach once, twice, thrice. Now you are your own guru. Keep on doing it. Carry on. So the powers are always blessing you, my dear. Okay? Anything else?
Thank you.
Thank you, Shivam.
So,
Love you all.